Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about Instagram. So this is a complete Instagram tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can download and install Instagram application on your Android. Then I'll show you how you can create your new account. Also, I'll show you how you can log in with your existing Instagram account. Then we will update our basic Instagram profile and we'll make our very first post on the Instagram. So if you're just trying to use an Instagram, so this video will perfectly guide you from the beginning and will teach you till the posting. All right, so Instagram is a very quite popular social media, just like the Facebook, but the difference is Instagram is more like photogenic, or you can find a lots of interesting photo features and filter over there. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first you need to download the application on your mobile, and which you can do from the Play Store. All right, simply search for the application Instagram, and since the application is already installed, you can see on the top right open, right? So if the application is not installed, it will say installed. So I will just go ahead with open. Also below you can check out the reviews and other app that is related to the Instagram. So I'll just tap on this open. Now you can see once you install the Instagram, you can see like how you can log in to your account or how you can sign up with Instagram. So the very first option we can see is login with Facebook, right? Yeah, so Instagram and Facebook both are associated with each other, and you can simply log in using your Facebook account as well. You don't need to create a different account for the Instagram. So if that not the case, then you can sign up using email address or the phone number, which we are going to do right now. So I'll show you how you can sign up using your email address. All right, so I'll just deny this and I'll put my email address over here to create a new Instagram account. All right, so this is my email address @yahoo.com. so agiletesting22 @yahoo.com. all right, I'll just simply hit next, and now I'll put my name. Okay, so this is for where you have to enter your password, right? So I'll just put some random password, and this is my name, John XYZ, and yeah, continue without syncing. All right, so I'll just add my birth date. So let's enter your birth date correctly so people can wish you on your birthday. So once you're done with these basic details, you can simply click next. Now we are about to register. All right, so find the yeah, it was asking me if I'd like to connect with Facebook. I'll just skip for that. You can also, follow your friends from Facebook. All right, so yeah, once I signed up, I do have a suggestion for the pages initially. Yeah, I'll just follow some celebrity pages. All right, and yeah, that's it. So once I'm done with that, I'll hit the top arrow. Now we have created an account. All right, so this is, you can see the feed right here. So this is the feed. Okay, so in order to check your profile, you need to on the right side you can see the profile option, right? Okay, the very first thing it was asking is like whether you'd like to confirm your email address or not. So we can definitely change. Also we can get the confirmation code, and we can confirm our email address. So if you'd like to edit your profile, you can tap on this and let's change our picture. All right, so I'll allow for the new picture, and let's grab some nice photo of mine. Alright, so this looks nice. Yeah, cool. Yeah, we do have lots of photo filters. Alright, oh, I like this one. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can simply tap next on the top, right on, you can see here. Alright, so if you hit on that, if you tap on that, now you can see I just changed my profile picture, right? I already have a 1 followers. Wow, that's great. And I'm already following 3 to 4 different pages. That's cool. Okay, so now we have changed our profile picture. We can also put our websites, bio, and there are other settings like your email, your phone number, your gender, and lots of basic setting that you can change in the inside the Instagram. All right, okay, cool. So now you see like how we signed up, how we changed our basic profile. So if you'd like to add the story on the top left, you can see the option for the story, right? Yeah, here it is. So just tap on that, then you'd be able to, you know, put the story. And yeah, if you just click on this, and you can send it to, and yeah, you can just simply share that. Cool. All right, let's get back. So now you have created an Instagram account, you have updated a profile, and now we also knew how to put a story on Instagram. So I will finally show you how you can create a post on Instagram. All right, for this you can see the plus sign on the middle of the bottom, right? So it's just below this. So if you click on this, yeah, if you just hit on this, now it will ask me to, like, you know, create, if you'd like to create anything or not. So I'll simply hit on this, and then I will go ahead with next. So I can also post this as a post, and I'll simply share this. Right, so it's just about to finish up. So this is the profile. So this is the post we just made. All right, okay, cool. So finally I'll show you how you can sign out to your Instagram account. So once you done with everything, on the right side you can find this button. If you click on this, you'd be able to go through the settings, and then you can simply click the logout. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys.